What's going on, you guys? So I'll show you, I'm working on the Thunderbird. Took off the turning signal switch. The other one was not working, and actually was newer, but this is just holding by 2 screws. I went ahead and take it off already. You see right here, so it's held by 2 of them. And then you just want to, you got the tabs right here, carefully. These ones broke, but it is what it is. You don't need to take all the dash, really, unless you want to get into your odometer or whatever. But you got 2 screws up here. You got to take this off, and there's like a little hole right here. You got to push that in and pull at the same time. But all you really need to take off to get into is this. This kind of goes over right here. Took them off, cleaned them, they're dirty. Then you got 3 screws in the bottom. You can see this is the top. It's just Phillips. And then the 2 screws on there, which are not the torque. It's just a regular. So this probably only work on your 89 to 93 Thunderbird. I think the other ones are a little bit different. But yeah, see, that's how it's held. Just 2 screws right there. Put the 2 caps, you're done. But alright, you guys, we'll see you guys around. It's raining here. Then